We've all been there. You pull your favorite sweater out of the dryer and it's shrunk. It's a common laundry mishap. Don't worry, there's hope for your shrunken garment. Heat and agitation in the wash can cause certain fabrics, like wool and cashmere, to shrink. But don't despair. You can often salvage your sweater with a little TLC. First, check if your sweater is actually salvageable. Gently stretch the fabric. Does it have some give? If it feels stiff and has a felted texture, it might be beyond repair. However, if your sweater still has some stretch, then you can try to unshrink it. With a bit of patience, you can bring your shrunken garment back to life. Fill a clean sink or basin with lukewarm water. Add a capful of gentle hair conditioner or baby shampoo to the water. These products can help relax the fibers of your sweater, making them easier to reshape. Ensure the water is not too hot, as this can further shrink the fabric. Submerge the shrunken sweater in the soapy water. Let it soak for at least 30 minutes. Afterward, gently squeeze out excess water. Do not wring or twist the sweater, as this can damage the fibers. Lay the sweater on a clean towel and roll it up to absorb more water. Unroll the towel and lay the damp sweater on a dry towel or a clean flat surface. Gently stretch the sweater back to its original shape and size. Allow the sweater to air dry completely. Once dry, your shrunken sweater should be back to its original size. To prevent future shrinkage, always wash delicate sweaters by hand and lay them flat to dry.